Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my makeup organization, storage, and collection, kind of showing you the makeup that I have and how I organize it. It's not super organized, but I do the best with what I have. And just a disclaimer, I really don't have that much makeup compared to a lot of beauty YouTubers. I really have a lot of drugstore makeup, a lot of low-end makeup, just because I like to save money on makeup. I don't have a ton of high-end brands, and I think that's okay. I think you can make makeup work on any budget. So yeah, stay tuned, see how I organize my makeup, see what kind of makeup I have, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so when you walk into my room, you can see my vanity right over here. There's me, hi. This is my mirror. As you can see, some of the lights are out. This is what it looks like when the lights are on. And I'm not sure where it's from. My parents got it for me for Christmas 3 years ago, I believe. And it just has a drawer in it, which I just have like a little baby wipes for when I'm doing my makeup, and then a little towel. On top of my desk, over here I have a picture of me and my dad, and then me and my mom, a Jesus candle, love you to the moon back, and then right here I have, just some essentials and some pretty lipsticks, a little kabuki brush, my Real Techniques blender, Burt's Bees lip balm, Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and then here's some of my lipstick collection, MAC, Ulta, Dirty Little Secret, I don't even know what this is. I don't know what brand that is. Rimmel, Laura Mercier, Bella Pierre, 3 Estee Lauder, and then a Bobbi Brown lipstick. Then I have some cute little napkins that have a K on them. Then over here I have all of my brushes. So these are all my face brushes and all my eye brushes. I have a little prayer box, a little elephant that my husband got me from India, and then a picture of me with all of my bridesmaids and my flower girls from my wedding. And so down here is the storage. I have this acrylic chair I got for Christmas this year. And this is just from IKEA. The desk and the drawers are from IKEA. The vanity itself, the mirror, I'm not sure. But it just has this little attachment up top where it has these drawers. Here I just keep some supplies for my freelance makeup. So like disposable mascara, disposable eyeshadow, little blending sponges, brush cleaner, stuff like that. Over here I have my lash stuff, so lashes, glue, Duo, which I hate, and scissors and tape. And then moving along, my first drawer is all of my face products. Alright, so in my top drawer, up here I just have my highlighters. So I have a Becca highlighter, Benefit What's Up, a little Cinderella one, and then a Bella Pierre. Over here are my blushes. I have Laura Geller, 2 e.l.f., Ulta. Then here I have my setting powders. So I have my Coty Airspun, an e.l.f., Ulta, L'Oreal, Laura Mercier. These are my concealers. e.l.f., Maybelline. This is my NYX Wonder Stick, which is like a contour stick. Then over here I have primers and setting sprays. So I use the Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm as a primer. Smashbox, Ulta Beauty eyeshadow primer, e.l.f. setting spray, NYX setting spray, e.l.f. primer, Laura Geller, Maybelline. Then up here I have all of my foundations, e.l.f., Milani, Revlon, Sassy and Chic, and L'Oreal. And then I have a little Stila sponge and a spare beauty blender. Then I have all my bronzers. I have Hoola. I have this one from Via Bombshell Cosmetics. One from Ellen Tracy, one from e.l.f. The next drawer is all of my eye stuff, which is probably my most populous drawer. These are all of my small palettes, all of my individual shadows, all of my eyeliners. Back here, mascaras and wands, and all of my brow products. So here, you know, I have MAC, e.l.f. These 4 are Sephora Collection, Ulta, LA Colors, Urban Decay, L'Oreal, more Ulta, NYX. Then in the middle here, I have a MAC, Dirty Little Secret, Star Crushed Minerals, Naked Cosmetics, Mars, Milani, Mellow, Wet n Wild, LA Colors. I have 2 The Balm, Ulta. This one's from Jelly Pong Pong. This one's Glamour Dolls. Then over here, I have all of my eyeliners, which is a lot. I have Ulta, Wet n Wild, let's see, Essence, Estee Lauder, Marc Jacobs, iTeen, Essence, ColourPop, It Cosmetics, e.l.f., Ofra, LA Colors, Jordana, Urban Decay, MAC, The Balm. Then back here are my brow products. I have Anastasia, of course, the dip brow and a pencil. I have e.l.f., Essence, Ulta Beauty, Pixie. Then I have my mascaras. I have L'Oreal, e.l.f., Wet n Wild, MAC, Smashbox, Ulta. Alright, so this next drawer is my lip products. It's not super organized. I just use ice trays to organize some of them. Rimmel, Too Faced, Revlon, Hikari, NYX, Ulta, MAC, Too Faced, Estee Lauder, 3 Anastasia, Wet n Wild, Pacifica, Laura Geller, LA Colors, e.l.f., LA Colors. And back here is not organized at all. It's just a bunch strewn about. So I have NYX, Wet n Wild, Marc Jacobs, The Balm, Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics, L'Oreal, e.l.f., Estee Lauder, Sephora Collection, Sephora Pantone collab, Ellen Tracy, NARS, Tarte, Starlux, Ulta, you know, Burt's Bees. Back here I have a little Ulta lip palette. This next drawer is my absolute favorite drawer. It's my palette drawer. It is not organized because I don't really know the best way to organize it, but they're just all kind of in here. I have the Anastasia Glow Kit, Anastasia Contour Kit, Urban Decay Naked Heat. I have this huge colorful palette from Simple Pleasures. I have the Profusion face palette, which I actually really like. It's like got face products over here and eye products over here. I have the Urban Decay Electric. I have an e.l.f. blush palette. I have a beautiful Estee Lauder palette. I have a Rue Beauty contour kit that's almost gone. Another e.l.f. blush palette. The Tartelette palette. The Anastasia lip palette, which is gorgeous. I have a concealer palette. BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette, Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, an LA Colors palette, Wet n Wild palette, and a Max Studio palette. And then this last drawer, I just have nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below how you organize your makeup and what videos you'd like to see next. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.